Hi everyone, welcome to A Nature Moment with Gabe. It is late September here in Waterloo, Ontario, and the birds are getting ready to migrate. Behind me is a big stand of Phragmites, common reed, and you can hear the cacophony of probably hundreds of birds here. Now there's a starling flying around there, but all the sounds here make it sound like red-winged blackbirds. Starlings will imitate other birds, so I don't actually know what's in here. And there's some house sparrows too. But it's really cool when it's the fall time to check out and keep your eyes and ears open for aggregations of birds like this. You don't have to be, we're right in the middle of the city. Like, we're just like, like nowhere special. But yeah, robins, blackbirds, starlings, grackles, crows, all sorts of birds are gathering together right now in big groups, safety in numbers, and directional help too, to fly south in winter. And of course, ducks and geese and creatures like that too. So don't forget, no matter where you are, you can find wonder in every day too.